Welcome back. In next video, I want to explain saturated solution. As it is English word, saturation, saturated, constant. In Hindi, sthir means no more. A solution is said to be saturated when a solvent can dissolve no more solute, no more of a solute at a particular temperature. It's called saturated solution. It means if I have one glass of water, 100 ml of water in a one glass, and I want to dissolve flour atom. Flour is the best example for saturation or unsaturation solution. I want to add flour in a 100 ml of water. Again add at the same particular temperature. Add. A point where the flour can't be dissolved in a water. That particular point, if we want more flour in solvent, in water, but if this extra flour can't dissolve, can't mix with water, or we can't with previous paste, can't mix, that point of a particular temperature, that point is called saturated point, saturated solution. Means no more solute can't be dissolved in this solution. That is saturated solution. Just opposite, unsaturated solution. Unsaturated solution. A solution is said to be unsaturated when the solvent is capable of dissolving more of solute than it already contains at the same temperature. That is called unsaturated solution. Means there is a possibility to dissolve more solute in solvent. That's a possibility. If you can add more solute in a solvent, and this solute which will add by you, it will be dissolve water in a liquid form, dissolve. That solution is called unsaturated solution. Let's start. Third point, supersaturated solution. Supersaturated solution. Supersaturated solution. Dear student, I am giving you one example in early classes. I always use this example. Glass. Are you watching glass at home or in school? Window glass, whatever glass, GLASS glass. Supersaturated liquid It is supersaturated liquid. Another example in your book. Carbonate water. Carbonated water. It is also example of supersaturated solution. A solution is said to be supersaturated. A solution is said to be supersaturated when it contains more of the solid that could be dissolved. By the solvent under normal condition. Carbonated water is an example of supersaturated solution. In a normal temperature, the container of solvent, more of the solid that could be dissolved by the solvent under normal condition, that is called supersaturated solution. Carbonated water is the example of this supersaturated solution. And one special point. See, supersaturated solution. Here it is one activity in your book which you can do at your home. If we have a saturated solution, I want to explain in another way, If we have a saturated solution, it means can't dissolve, no more solid in solvent. That is saturated solution in normal condition in a particular temperature. Normal temperature also we can say normal temperature. If we add what is supersaturated solution, we have the salt saturated solution. Okay, we have a beaker with water and salt dissolved in a normal temperature. Salt is dissolved. I put more salt dissolved in beaker. This salt settle down in a bottom layer but can't dissolve because we have already saturated solution. I want to add more salt in saturated solution. So in this condition, we have to treat it. We have to react. Firstly, we dissolve by strain, then we shake, then at last we treat it, we heat it, this beaker, then ultimately the extra salt which is the settle down in the bottom layer of the beaker, it will be dissolved after treating. So that particular, because what we have done, we increase the temperature. So the extra solute dissolve. That particular temperature is increased. That solution is called supersaturated solution. Thank you.